Have you seen the double tragedy that Mexico has recently experienced? A magnitude 7.1 earthquake rocked center Mexico on Tuesday, killing over 230 people so far and injuring thousands. The earthquake comes less than 2 weeks after another more powerful quake struck Oaxaca, leaving much of the region in ruins. A large-scale rescue operation is currently underway to locate those trapped beneath the rubble. Frida the Labrador plays an integral role in that operation, working with Mexican Navy's P9. The brave rescue dog is currently hard at work searching for survivors. Frida has saved over 50 people in her short career, a number of whom were rescued from the rubble in Oaxaca. We are glad to know that Frida is working around the clock to find the bird and rescue the injured.